this is my first video! Whoa. Okay. And today, you can probably see all this mess right here. It's not a mess. It's my Fidgets. Okay. First thing we're going to show, this is a sloth. It's a squishy sloth. I'm hitting it in the head. I'm just kidding, I'm not. What's a squishy sloth? It's so fast. Okay. This second one is a panda? No, koala. And this is how it goes up. Super fast. Both of my squishies go super fast. I don't know why. Shut up. Okay. Sorry. The second one. This is showing this was super small, okay? I just had a pea popper. Can I get that? Hey. Behind the face. Annoy this spot. Okay, the second thing we're gonna do is these things are called monkey noodles. Okay, I'm just putting these over here for just. So this is the monkey noodle, and the topping monkey noodle. Okay. Pink. Orange monkey noodle. It's gonna be a rainbow. If I can make it in. Okay, perfect. Green monkey noodle. Blue monkey noodle. Papa. I don't know. Then I have to take it and put them over here. Which one do? Okay. Sorry, I don't really know what to pick over here. That's just what you do with this. You stretch it like crazy. And it feels like a mess. Oopsie. Sorry, annoy that. It's an animal over there. Just focus on me. Sorry, guys, I'm a monkey. Yeah. Okay. The second thing I'm going to show, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th thing I'm going to show. It's a squishy. People who do not like squishies do not get any more squishies. Please. Don't if you don't like it. So, sorry. I'm gonna do it squishy. Okay. And squish it. Another one, but it's bigger and cold. Because it's been out in the ice all day. I'm just kidding, it has not. It's been out there, even though I'm sitting by my curtains. But it's actually snowing outside, so I feel like this has been out there for a really long time. Okay. The second thing I'm going to show. Why do I keep saying second? The 6th thing I'm going to show. Well, no. Squish. It blows a bubble, like a bubble gum. this weird thing. This is kind of... I'm super sorry. It's a... we don't even know what this thing is. You know it's a squishy. Get over here! You could probably recognize this. It's called a Rubik's Cube. But look at this. Look at this to this. No. Look at this to this. I mean this. This to this. This to this. I don't understand. The last thing. So, the first thing I'm going to show you is a puppet. I mean, it's little. I'm just kidding. It's little. It's kind of like bubble wrap, but it's something that you can bubble open up. Let me just show you with one. Okay, so you can see that. It's gone. Here it is. A bubble puppet. It has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Okay. You just pop them like crazy. So I say this is a bear. My mom and my dad think it's a ladybug, but I say it's a bear. Okay. This is for stress. People, if you're watching this video, please make sure you get the puppet. Only if you have them. Because they help stress. Just helps just like crazy. Can we put that aside? Rainbow puppet. I will show you after I pop it. It's just the same as this one. I will show you what it looks like. Looks like I stabbed it in my face, but then. This kind of looks like a cookie. A square-shaped cookie. I don't know why it does to me. The last continuing thing. The big old pocket. Can't even fit on this thing. You just same. Just pop it, but it's even bigger. And if you can shove it, if you can't, well, if you can see that butterfly right there, it's a pink butterfly. Like, wait, let me show you in a darker color. If you can see that, if you look at the green. Okay, you can't even see anything here anymore, so goodbye. Beep.